Good morning. Where's my girl? Where's my girl? Hi. 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 Hi, Stacy Riley. Oh, good morning. Oh, good morning to you. How's my beauty girl? How's my beauty girl? I missed you so much. Did you miss me? A little bit? Did you miss me a little bit? Huh? What did you do? Huh? Did you have some dinner? Did you have some breakfast too? Huh? Oh, you're a lazy girl. I see your eyes are closing. Huh? I see your eyes are closing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Now what are we going to do today?
Stacy. Hi. Hi, Stacy.
Stacy?
What do?
It all started about 3 months ago. On one sad day, a little baby pig was hit by a car, and our animal aid ambulance brought her to the hospital. And there wasn't very much we could do for her. We treated her for pain, and we tried to give her some anti-inflammatories, and we thought maybe she would be able to regain the use of her hind legs, but she couldn't do it. And the biggest miracle of my life happened. But this little girl just wanted to be loved. And she was never wild. Usable. Oh.
What? Luckily, a kind person in a diaper called us to tell us that she'd been hit. And for the first 2 or even 3 weeks that we had her, she was terrified of people, because probably her only interaction had ever been being caught, tied. They do the most brutal things when they move them from place to place, and they're shown no kindness by people. People, because they're in the sewers and in the rooting in the garbage to find food, they're associated with being dirty. And so even people who don't eat meat show them no love, and no one would ever pet them or touch them.
In a funny way, Stacy's disability is also going to be her way of being saved. And we really need help, because she's going to live a long life, I think, and she's going to eat a lot of food, and she's going to need a lot of help. And so we hope that, people remember horses and dogs and cats, and they even remember cows and chickens. A lot of times in this area, they don't remember pigs. And Stacy's here to give one pure message, and that is, she's giving it back.
Stacy. What's your message, Stacy?
She's giving her message.